love, it truly isn't ending. If you say you never think about it, you truly is pretending. Now listen to my words and all the message I am sending. When all my family's failing me, somebody love that wasn't me. Come to you with an empty me, so may your spirit be poured in me. Even when I fall from grace and live my life so full of waste, you always there to pick me up, tear me down and build me up. Take my scars and heal them up. A love like this you can't dream up. Save so dramatically, change so radically. Praise him automatically, cause he came and cleansed me thoroughly. No more I and no more me. It's all about this God in me, God in me, God in me.